Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the file you want to inspect. You should already have layers Docker visible so you can monitor changes. Once done, make sure the canvas rotation controls are accessible in the View menu for quick reorientation. You can lock or toggle visibility on reference layers to prevent accidental edits. Lock them in the layers Docker. Now select the specific layer or group you intend to flip so the next step applies only where you want it. You now choose whether to flip a single layer, multiple layers, or only a selection. Select the layer or marquee the area. If multiple layers, group them with Ctrl+G so transforms stay coherent. Then go to Layer menu, Transform, and pick Flip Horizontal or Flip Vertical to mirror your content. If you need precision, use Edit Transform Free Transform to nudge pivot and confirm. Make sure to apply the transform rather than canceling. That commits pixels to your canvas. When you want the entire canvas mirrored, choose Image, Mirror Image, then Horizontal or Vertical. This flips every visible pixel and maintains layer stacking. Once flipped, review edges and alignment. Toggle layer visibility to inspect artifacts and use Ctrl+Z to revert if something looks off. Finally, export via File Export and choose Format, Use, PSD to retain layers or PNG for flat output. If you encounter a blank result, check layer locks and visibility. Unlocking layers usually resolves that.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.